Hello yarn friends! Today I'm going to be showing you this very beginner basic how to do a slip knot to begin crocheting. Now you will have the piece of yarn that you have pulled from your ball of yarn. Now you're going to have the end where there's nothing attached right here. This is going to be called your tail end of your yarn. Now to begin and make a slip knot, I like to hold my yarn like this. What I like to do is put this piece of yarn that is still attached to your ball in between your first and your middle finger, leaving a bit of a loop right here on the top. Now we're also going to be holding with our thumb to our first finger, and this is going to have our tail. So this is what it should look like. I'll show you one more time. So we take our yarn and we grab it with our thumb, leave a bit of a loop, and put it right here between our first and our second fingers. Now from here, with my right hand, I take my first finger and my thumb and I put it from the back side to the front side in that little loop, okay? Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna give our hand down here a little twist, not moving this hand up here, and we are just going to turn. Now with your fingers that are in the loop, we are going to grab the piece of yarn that's running from our first finger to our second finger. Okay, so we're going to grab that and we will pull that piece through and tighten. And that is going to be your slip knot. Now I'm going to show that to you guys again. Now taking our tail end and holding that with our thumb and our first finger, making a bit of a loop, we're going to grab that yarn with our first and second finger, leaving a loop. Take your right hand and place that through the loop here from the back side forward, and then we're going to move our left hand and make a twist. Now when we make this twist, the piece of yarn that we are pulling through is going to be this one that's still attached to your yarn. So if you get confused, you can take a look. And then here we have our yarn on the top of our finger, because remember we have the yarn that we're holding with our thumb and the yarn that we're holding with our finger up here. So let's do that again. Let's twist. Now we're going to grab that yarn with our two fingers right here, and we will pull it through the loop that we already have, and then we're just going to tighten. So I kind of pull with the thumb, and now at this point you will go ahead and grab your crochet hook and you are ready to move on to making your chain stitches. But this is my explanation on how to make a slip knot. Now, if you liked this video, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit the notification bell so you get notified when I release new crochet tutorials and helpful little tips and tricks. And I will see you guys all next time. I hope this was helpful for you.